Do you like an idea of your purpose? The alluring thought is that you can do what you love while you serve the people with your natural gifts. You want to do it, and when you're doing it, you don't think you're working because you enjoy it so much that you immerse yourself in making it. People say don't need to care about money because once you start doing what makes you alive and helping other people solve their problems with it, money starts coming to you naturally. So what is the truth about it? Can it work for you just like that? Do you need a unique attitude or mindset to achieve this state of well-being? Well, today we want to dive into this topic and share our personal experiences. Number 3, find your passion, or does it come to you naturally? Well, it's usually a combination of both. People typically look at their childhood interests as a source of their passions. Then somewhere along the way you meet someone in person or virtually over the internet. You don't need to say yes immediately. Take your time to think about it from different perspectives. Allow yourself to feel different feelings about it. So after some time, you realize what choice you want to make. It's like being in the flow. You attract what's close to you. You might receive what resonates with you. Mind there is you and your future self. Your future self is your potential best self. There are many different versions of you. All of them depend on the choices you make right now. Come and play with this idea. It's possible that you already have your unique business idea in your conscious presence. It can be very mesmerizing. You can start to see the different colors, and maybe it's not even the first time you've gone through this process. Well, some people have a lot of passions. Some people create a lot of businesses over time too. You might develop new connections and thus new ways of doing things. It's called innovation. It can happen naturally and without a plan. Number 2, stay home or go to a different place. Well, you might have a lot of habits connected to your birthplace. It's because you know it so well. There are habits you do almost naturally, and some of these habits you might know and be able to manage. On the other hand, you might not consciously recognize all patterns. Well, if you put yourself in a new place, it might feel like you went on vacation at first. Have you ever noticed that you tend to observe things more in a different country or city? This is because your mind and brain work incredibly fast to document everything possible so you get as much information as possible. New cultures can give you fresh perspectives on life, which fill you with new and exciting ideas. You might consciously focus on relocating yourself, trying new things in a new location, or try things you already know you love to do in a new home. Allow yourself to grow and prosper in this soil. However, not everybody needs to feel the new ground underneath their feet. We know many people who thrive well in their birthplace, and there's no universal recipe. It's more about allowing yourself to do it. If you feel like going, consider this opportunity calmly. Finally, even Jesus went across many places during his mission. He had a calling. The main point here is we all have a calling. Number 1, need more money or start with 0? Well, money is an essential thing in life. It's not the most important, but we cannot agree more with Madonna as she sings her famous, "You know that we're living in a material world." This rule of thumb needs to be respected smartly. Jesus has money for his missions. His treasurer was none other than Judas, but that's a different story. Don't make money to be your God. Instead, feel like one spiritual child of God who's using money as a tool to create great things. Some people can start from 0 using their gifts and passions. Other people can borrow money wisely. A golden boy, John D. Rockefeller, began to build his giant empire with a loan from his father. Be wise and follow your calling. Inspiration comes from outside sources, but it's inside you that replies to what is essential. Strive for excellence. Be aware of fear and avoid acting upon its influence. At least you can jot it down so you don't start to minimize its impact on you. Secondly, avoid any pressure from other people who might project their unfulfilled ambitions on you. The worst things that can happen is you'll fail. However, that doesn't mean you're a failure. Well, persistence and discipline are your essential tools. Discipline has helped us shape our daily habits and make better decisions. Remember, the keys often lie in our choices. Ultimately, it's not about finding something for you, it's about being the creator of those things. We've grown inwardly as we focused on our intuitive guidance. Natural processes are happening all around us. We love learning about the reasoning as a way of how many people think. We don't know what works for everyone, so we shared with you what we used for ourselves. Now you might take your time to feel into it and decide if you want to try it yourself. Let the muse come to feed your sources with inspiration. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing to our channel. If you liked the video, give thumbs up or comment below. We'll personally read all of them and reply. Thank you for watching!